Hi friends, today we are going to learn fruits name from Witwick. Hi Witwick, can you identify what fruit is this?
This is an apple.
Yes, you are right. Ritwik, what fruit is this?
This is grape, Samiksha.
What fruit is this?
This is banana.
Can you tell what fruit is this?
Yeah, this is guava.
What fruit is this?
This is kiwi.
What fruit is this?
This is yummy mango. This is my favorite fruit.
What fruit is this?
This is an orange.
Ritwik, what fruit is this?
This is peach.
What fruit is this?
This is lychee.
Ritwik, what fruit is this?
This is pineapple.
What fruit is this?
This is raspberry.
What fruit is this?
This is strawberry.
Ritwik, what fruit is this?
This is watermelon custard.
Friends, let's do quickly recap.
Apple,
Grapes, banana, guava, kiwi, mango, orange, peach and lychee, pineapple, raspberry, strawberry.
the final one is watermelon. Like, share, subscribe.